Hey everyone! Today we're introducing Venngage, a powerful AI tool that lets you create stunning designs effortlessly using simple prompts. You can also explore various categories and choose from different design sections. Let's dive in. First, open Google and type venngage.com/AI tools. Then, scroll down to the prompt section. Now, here you can type your prompt to generate a design. For example, brochure for real estate featuring the property address, key details, and high-quality image. Click on Generate with AI to generate. Here, a bifold brochure is automatically created with the front and back pages. Now, we type a prompt for infographics. Click on Generating to create an infographic post. You can also create printing designs. For example, 1-week lesson plan for exam. Here is the generated lesson plan design. If you don't like the design, you can click on Regenerate. That looks better. Moreover, you can choose different categories of different sections. For today, we will choose the AI poster generator. Similarly, we have to add a prompt. For example, design a professional and engaging webinar poster for a business coach. Also include the title, Unlock Your Business Potential. Now, click on Generate. Here is the webinar poster generated. As usual, we can click on Regenerate to get more precise. Now, you can click on Customize with AI to edit your template. Now, you enter the Venngage template editor, where you can change anything you desire. First, we will change some text. Now, change its style and font size. To change icon elements, just select the icon and click on Replace. Now you can search for your icon here. Just click on the desired one to replace it. To change the color of a shape, select the shape and click on Color. Now, change its color. Click on Download and then download it. In this way, you can easily generate any design with AI and also edit it using Venngage. To explore this amazing AI tool, visit the link given in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.